Hello everyone and a special hello to my kiddos. Today Miss Meninder is going to work on letter C, K, and I'm going to write some words and going to draw. Cup. So you can draw this cup, and if it's a plastic cup or that foam cup, is look like this. The next will be cake. 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 Yummy, yummy. Cake. How old are you? 4 years. And the next can be cupcake. 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 Right? And with a cherry on, candle. Candle. So any candle, big or small. Cat. Here's my cat. And here's the bowl for the cat. If you like, you can make a full cat. Okay. Next can be car. Car. So if you're not able to get the sound, the letters, so you can say in your mind or a little bit aloud. And if you say it a couple of times, you'll be able to get the sound. So here I have a small car, or you can draw any car. Clown. Clown. So and here is the eyes and the eyebrows. You know, it's a clown, so we can make and clown. The last word can be clock. Oh, Miss Meninder, where are you going to draw the clock? It's okay, we can write here. So what time is it? So we write here 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Time to go to school, right? Okay. So hope you enjoyed it and keep writing more words and draw pictures or just draw pictures or write words and have more fun. Bye. See you next time.